Good morning, everybody. This is Dad from Rae and Dad, and today I'm on the Disney Wonder. I'm going to take you around deck number 9 and give you a point of view look at the deck and at some of the things going on this deck. So this is a deck where a lot of people hang out. This is the main deck to hang out on if you want to go to things like a pool, go to the water slides, the play areas. There's a number of restaurants, the free ice creams on this level, which is always an important thing. And so I'll take you around and we'll take a look at that. We're starting at midship on the starboard side, and I'm going to go from here towards the forward and around in a circle and around the back to show you all what it looks like. So with that being said, make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and if you do, hit that bell for notification, and most of all, make sure to enjoy. All right, starting off from the starboard side. So this area is actually the adults only area. There's only a kids to watch. You can see what the adults only area looks like. It's got 2 jacuzzis and a pool. And to actually go in a circle on this level, we have to go through this indoor part, which is where they host cabanas, which is a buffet for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then we're going to come around back on the starboard side. And here's my friend Rodney. Hey, good morning. And coming around on the other side. My Daisy Delights. fun water area for all the kids. That slide is a lot of fun. I went down it about a dozen times yesterday. Probably the most important part of the ship, according to most kids, including Rae, is the ice cream. We're gonna get free ice cream most of the day. Main pool deck part, and midship deck 9. Is the Tweens Club, 11 to 14. And we're back in midship. And that was a tour of deck 9 of the Disney Wonder, taking around the whole deck, checking out some of the sights. The most important one for most of the kids is the ice cream, which is free ice cream throughout most of the day. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notification. Really enjoyed having you all along with me to take a look at deck number 9 of this Disney Wonder. Stay tuned for our other videos coming from the Disney Wonder cruise, and make sure to enjoy.